Hi, my name is Charles Rooker and I'm from Core Powered and I'm one of the members of the newly formed Future Manufacturing Committee. In this session, we're going to take a look at manufacturing 5 to 10 years from now. And we're going to talk about things. We're going to do a little presentation. We're going to talk about things like artificial intelligence, artificial consciousness, robotics, a whole bunch of other buzzwords. Some of it you'll have heard of, some of it will be new to you. And we're going to look at we're going to start exploring with the information that we know today what we think manufacturing is going to be like 5 to 10 years from now. The effect it's going to have on our processes, the products we make, the equipment we use to do the work that we do, and the effect it's going to have on our culture. So come to this session. Part of it will be interactive. Part of it's going to be a presentation. So you're not just going to be sitting there buckled up in a chair listening to a bunch of people talk. You're actually going to be part of this dialogue that we're going to create. So come to the session, prepare to be excited, confronted, thrilled, all those great things, and learn about what we see is going to be in our manufacturing environment 5 to 10 years from now.